positive. But then also interestingly, Jenna and I attended a conference like last week, and one of the women who attended had mentioned that she's been calculating the cost of her shower. And for us,
Oh, good.
we had a sort of reduce your shower time as a savings in terms of the carbon impact that you'd be having within the app. And then she had calculated it was costing her currently 80 pence per shower that she had, because I think the average Brit has approximately 8 minutes in the shower.
8 minutes,
And
okay.
that was going to cost her £4, which is like fivefold in terms of the impact. Like in just a few months' time, it was going to be 5 times the cost of like what she's spending now. So I think this is a prime example that you can reduce your shower time. You're being friendly, obviously, to the environment, but you're also helping sort of the bottom line in terms of like your household. And if you multiply that across the number of people that live within your house, like it could be significant, like £10 to £15 like a day, probably on average.
Yeah. Yeah, it's incredible thinking just for one household, but then I guess there's the macro thing of more people making these changes is it has tremendous impact, doesn't it? Like if you think of the millions of people that could be making these small changes.